Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Buckland, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you wish to move out of Buckland and explore another city or country, we are with you on this journey. With our moving firm, 3 Movers, at least you don't have to worry about the shifting process. Our moving firm has been providing their packing and moving services for more than 20 years, which is why people trust our moving firm and prefer hiring us for shifting and storage requirements. So, whether you have to move to a new city, country, or plan to shift in a nearby state, we can easily shift apartment at the most affordable prices. We not only provide easy shifting, but also offer wholesome shifting services in our packages, which also includes a storage facility, so if you're looking for safe relocation of your belongings, you can hire us and keep your possessions safe with us. What makes us trustworthy? Insurance on goods. We provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. If your belongings get damaged during transit, the damage will be compensated by our moving firm. And to avail this, our clients can file their claims within 90 days of period. Early estimate. Keeping a professional approach with our clients. We notify our charges beforehand so that our clients can make an informed decision and plan their move accordingly. Although people hesitate to trust the unknown with their belongings, we at 3 Movers are among the oldest moving firms with more than 20 years of business experience. Also, we have been permitted a license provided by the local federal association, so it's easy for us to cross the state or country's borders and conduct distance shifts without complicated formalities. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Buckland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.